Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll cover the Refresh User Groups logic block, which is vital for ensuring users have the correct permissions by updating their group information after login. Imagine you have an app with multiple user roles, such as admin, editor, and viewer. After a user logs in, the Refresh User Groups logic block ensures that their access to different parts of the app is correctly set according to their current group membership. For example, if an editor's permissions change, this block updates their access without requiring a logout. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the Refresh User Groups logic block in your workflow. Drag the Refresh User Groups logic block into your workflow. This block will be used to update the user's group information after login. Next, connect the logic block to an event in the view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the group refresh process. Once the logic block is connected, set up toast messages to notify the user of the result.